if you hold HBAR. This is extremely urgent. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in Let's talk about price HBAR. As of April 5th, 2026, the cryptocurrency's global market cap stands at $3.76 billion, with a change of minus 0.21% over the past 24 hours. The current price of HBAR is $0.0869, and the 24-hour trading volume is $40.45 million. Over the past 24 hours, HBAR has changed by minus 0.17%. With a circulating supply of 43.32 billion HBAR and a maximum supply of 50.00 billion tokens. Hedera ranks 25 by market cap. The currency's 24-hour high was recorded on April 5th, 2026 at $0.087852. Let's analyze the price of Hedera. Hedera is down 0.60% to $0.0868 in 24 hours, underperforming a slightly negative Bitcoin and reflecting weak altcoin sentiment amid a fearful broader market, primarily driven by a lack of coin-specific catalysts and underperformance relative to the market. Beta underperformance in a fearful market. The entire crypto market cap dipped 0.24% in 24 hours, with Bitcoin down 0.15%. Hedera's larger decline of 0.60% shows it underperformed its beta, amplifying the market's slight negative move. This occurs while the FOMC Fear and Greed Index sits at 29, fear, indicating low risk appetite that typically hurts altcoins more. What it means: in the absence of its own positive catalyst, HBAR is vulnerable to outflows when overall sentiment is weak, as traders favor more liquid assets. Watch for a shift in the Fear and Greed Index back toward neutral, above 40, could signal improving risk appetite for alts. No clear secondary driver. The provided data shows no specific news, partnership, or ecosystem development for Hedera in the last 24 hours to counteract the negative market drift. Trading volume fell 6.46% to $46.9 million, confirming a lack of new buying interest or panic selling. The price move appears to be a passive drift rather than a reaction to a new fundamental event. Near-term market outlook. The short-term trend remains bearish, with HBAR down 12.64% over 30 days. The key near-term trigger is broader market direction, as no specific Hedera events are noted. If Bitcoin fails to hold its ground and slides further, altcoins like HBAR could see additional pressure. The path of least resistance is currently down, but a hold above $0.085 could indicate selling exhaustion. A decisive break and daily close below $0.085, which could open the door for a test of the next significant support near $0.080. Conclusion: HBAR's decline is a symptom of cautious market sentiment and a lack of independent momentum, leading it to underperform a slightly negative Bitcoin. Whether Bitcoin can stabilize above $67,000 to stem the bleed into altcoins, and if HBAR volume picks up on any rebound attempt. What about Hedera news and catalysts? Crypto commentator Levi Rietveld recently warned HBAR holders, highlighting the urgency of the Clarity Act as it nears potential Senate action. He noted that while delays have persisted, recent remarks from Cynthia Lummis provide a clearer picture of timing. Understanding both the legislative schedule and the influence of banks is essential for investors and institutions. Lummis provides timing for Senate action. During a Fox interview, Lummis outlined the near-term schedule for the bill. She said the markup could occur either right before the Easter break or right after, and expressed hope for a completed product from the Senate Banking Committee before the end of April. This timeline lines up with initial predictions by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Lummis noted the process is influenced by other priorities, including funding considerations tied to the SAVE Act. She then stressed the need for colleagues to finalize their contributions. HBAR also gains from the Clarity Act's clarified framework. Hedera's enterprise-focused network relies on legal certainty to attract institutional projects and large-scale tokenization initiatives. With defined compliance standards, corporations can confidently deploy applications on the Hedera network. Will Hedera be able to recover? We'll find out very soon. Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about Hedera, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest Hedera news. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.